Web 2.0 is a new set of technologies that really is sweeping the internet. It's something that's incredibly popular and something that you, as an internet marketer, can use to your benefit to drive traffic, to create more loyal customers, and to earn more money from. Now, what is Web 2.0? That's what I'm going to tell you in this video. In this video course, I'm going to tell you about some Web 2.0 sites and show you how to use them and how to benefit from them as an internet marketer. Now, Web 2.0 is a fantastic set of technologies. To be honest, they've always been there in one shape or another. But with the rise of faster computers and faster internet connections and better graphics capabilities, Web 2.0 really has become its own exciting prospect for us internet marketers to make traffic. So Web 2.0 really is a much more interactive approach to using the internet. It's basically encouraging your customers and your potential customers to interact with you. So rather than traditional email marketing, for example, that's a passive approach. You send an email out, you hope your customer gets it, you hope they read it, you hope they click on it, you hope they buy. With Web 2.0, it's much more about them coming to you. It's more active on their part and more passive on yours. So what you're doing with Web 2.0 is you're encouraging your site visitors to interact with you, with each other, and with your website. This will be in the form of blog posts, forum posts, MySpace type pages, video, audio, submitting articles, and so on. It's about more building a community. It's all about user-generated content. So instead of you sitting there creating hundreds of videos for your website, you get your visitors to upload their videos or put links to their YouTube videos, and suddenly you've got a website full of content and you haven't done much. Now, typically, Web 2.0 is sites like Facebook, MySpace, OnlyWire, Allcut. It's social networking, social bookmarking. It's these websites where you can create your own site for free, like Squidoo and Hub Pages. And the real key for me is these are good for you as a marketer because it helps you get traffic. These sites are incredibly popular. I mean, MySpace and Facebook have hundreds of millions of page impressions a day. Go and check the Alexa stats and see. They are two of the most popular sites on the internet. So there's massive potential there, not just for internet marketing, but for a lot of niche marketing as well. There's huge, huge potential. And the nice thing about Web 2.0 is it really creates a nice user experience. So your end user, instead of coming to a site, reading a sales letter going, not interested, they come to your site, they get involved in the community, and it helps you build up sort of trust and a relationship with them without actually communicating with them that much. And then, of course, it's much easier to sell to them because they think, oh, that's so-and-so, he owns that site, oh, it must be good. You can start marketing to them. Because as you're building your Web 2.0 site, so you're building a list. Think of MySpace.com, for example. They've got a list of hundreds of millions of people. They could send a message once a month selling something and make a fortune. Just think about that. Now, why would you use Web 2.0? Well, obviously, your content can be generated by your website visitors. The upside of this, lots of content for your website. The downside, unfortunately, could be that they put illegal content on there, but you have to monitor and manage that as the owner of the site. And it's quite simple to do usually. You just keep an eye on the content and delete the stuff that isn't appropriate. But this takes the onus of creating all the content off you. So instead of you having to sit there and create tons and tons and tons of content, your visitors can create the content. And of course, in a lot of niches outside of internet marketing, of course we're talking about here, people who post content on the internet are going to tell their friends about it. Hey, look, I've got an article published here. Why will they do that? Because for them, it's a big thing. For us as internet marketers, we know, you could, with a click of a button, submit your article to several thousand websites almost. But to them, seeing themselves published on a website, that's incredible for them. So this user-generated content is really, really good for you. And it's a much more active method of working with your visitors. People are starting to expect interactivity out of their web experience. So whereas in the old days they just go to a website, passively read it and go on their merry way, they now expect to be able to interact a bit more because they're getting used to that being the way websites work. It gets them more involved in your website, which helps build brand loyalty. It helps build trust with them. It helps them understand more about what you're offering. And this getting involvement can build up this sense of loyalty, which will really help you to make sales. And of course it opens up many new opportunities, both to earn and to generate traffic. And that really is the good thing about Web 2.0. There are so many opportunities for you to get to the top of the search engine and to earn money from these technologies that is absolutely fantastic. And that's what we're going to be talking about in this video series. I want to show you how to use some of the most popular Web 2.0 sites to drive traffic, to dominate the search engines, and to earn money. So, we're going to talk in the next video about how to successfully use Web 2.0, and then we're going to go into talking about Web 2.0 sites, demonstrating them and showing you how to use them.